Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about very famous problem that how we can reverse each word of a string in Java. Suppose we are given an input string, uh, let's say live desert, and we would like to reverse each word of a string, right? So if it is live deserts, then output should be evil stressed. That is, first word live should become evil and desert should become stressed. Right? And let's take a second example. Suppose we are given evil star war and the output should become live red star. That is, evil should become live, star should become reds, and war should become raw. That is our problem statement that we need to reverse each word of a string. Okay, so let's understand how we can achieve it. Suppose now we have this input string with us, that live deserts. Okay, uh, now we know that in Java there are classes, JDK classes like string buffer and string builder, which give us a method to reverse a string, right? So if we use pass this whole string to string builder and string buffer, then it would reverse it, right? But the output would be like, it would be like stressed, it would be stressed and evil. That will be the output, right? It will return as stressed evil in quote unquote, right? So it will, but we don't want this output, right? We want output as evil stressed, right? So the JDK classes is directly, the methods of JDK classes does not solve the purpose here. Directly does not solve the purpose. So we have to do some trick here, right? So what is that trick? We know that how we can reverse the string, right? So the idea is, let's split the string on the basis of space character in between. We are assuming that they are separated by a single space. So let's we can split the string, right? The string into some words, like we extract each word of a string, right? Now we will get two words out of this string, right? And if we can reverse each word, if we can reverse live, then it would become evil. And if we can able to reverse deserts, then it would become stressed, right? Then it would become stressed. And then ultimately we just join these two strings together using space in between. That, right? And then it should give us the result what we are looking for, right? So idea is divide the split the string on the basis of an space character in between. Then reverse each word of a string, reverse live, reverse deserts, and then ultimately join them together. Then we are able to achieve our result back. Okay, let's take another example to make it more clarify. Now let's take a second example now. Now we have evil star war, right? Now we will split the string again basis of a space. Now we'll get three words like word 1, word 2, word 2 and word 3, right? Word 1 is evil, word 2 will be star, and word 3 will be war, right? If I reverse first word, then it will become live, L-I-V-E, live. And if I reverse the second string, then it will become reds. And if we reverse the third string, then it will become raw, right? Now if we join this string together using space separation, then it will give us the result which we are looking for, right? It is pretty straightforward idea that we just divide the string, we split the string basis of a space character in between, then we reverse each string and then we join them together. That will give us a result, right? So we'll see how we can achieve it in Java, right? We will write a program and we use string builder class. We could have used string buffer as well, but there is no threading concern, so we will concentrate using string builder class. So we will achieve the result using string builder class. So let's see how we can do it using string builder class. Now I have brought up my editor, IntelliJ editor. Now I will write a class where we say reverse string by word. Okay, so I will write a method, private method, which will return reverse string, and it will take input a string parameter, the string which we would like to reverse, right? Okay. Now, as I we discussed in our presentation, first of all, we split our string basis of an space substitution. So string class itself has a method to reverse the to split the string. So we'll split it on the basis of that. So let's split the string using space. So this guy, the split uh, method of a string, it will return an array of each word, right? At zero index, we get the first word, and at the second index, we get the second word. So as it is the array based, so index we would start from 0 and 1. So let's say we take an example of live stressed, which we have seen in our example, right? So at zero index we will get live, at the first index we will get stressed, right? Or I think we have taken it as other way around, we have taken it as deserts. Okay, so we have taken it as live deserts. Okay, now idea is we have to reverse the each character of each word of a string. So let's loop through um, these array containing these words. So let's take a length of this array. Now I will write a loop to just get through it. We'll do a dry run. We'll see how we are doing it. So I'm writing a while loop. We're iterating till its length. So it's typo here. Let's rectify the typo. Just for our reference. Okay. Then now take first word from array of string. So let's extract the first word. Now it is here. So what we are doing here, first of all, we get an input. We split our input. So the input was live deserts. Now once we done the split on it, so we'll get array of words. So array 0 will have live, array 1 have deserts, right? Then we are taking a length of it, then length will become 2 because it has 2 words in it. Now I am iterating through this array. So I am iterating till the length of 2. So first word I am getting it, I am storing it in the first word. So I get live here. Now I would like to reverse this live, right? To reverse it, we use StringBuilder class because in Java string class itself does not have a method to reverse a string. So we pass it to a StringBuilder class, we pass it to StringBuilder, and we can invoke reverse method on it. So this guy would return us the StringBuilder object. We'll store in the StringBuilder object. Now this builder guy, the first it reversed the string. Now live become evil here. Now in this builder, I have an evil first word reversed, right? Okay, now what I will do with this word, I will just append an space in between so that when the next word I am appending it, it has a space, right? So first time it comes live here, so builder will have a live. Then after that, I am appending space to the builder object, right? So we'll create a final reverse string. So we'll store it in a again store it in a builder. So let's say reverse string. Okay. So let's take a builder object again. Okay. Now let's append this word to final builder object, right? So let's review it again. So we get the first letter live, we reverse the first letter, then we are appended the space so that evil of then we are appending a space, then it becomes evil space, right? Then I am appending it to the final word, final string word, wherever we are appending it, right? So the first it will come evil space, then next time desert will come, then we are appending it to this guy again, right? Okay, now let's return our reverse string back. So let's write it. Reverse string dot toString method is there in StringBuilder class to convert it back to a string class, and we would use string method on top of it because we are appending an extra space when we are reversing the last word of our string. Now let's write a main method to invoke this reverse string method back. Okay, so let's write an input. It is nothing but live deserts. Let's print it as well so that we can see in the output terminal what is an input and what is an output. Similarly, let's invoke the reverse string method and let's pass it input. Okay, so that's it. So let's quickly run it and let's see the output. Okay, so here is our output. We have input as live deserts, and we can see the output as an evil stressed that each word of n string is getting reversed. Okay, so idea is pretty simple. We are getting an input, we are splitting it on the basis of an space separator, and we are getting an array of strings, and we know that in Java JDK, string builder class provides a method to reverse each word of a string, and we are making use of that method. So we are iterating through each word of a string, right? And then we are reversing each word, and then we are appending a space in between, as we are assuming that each word is separated by just one separator, space separator. So we are just appending it as an one space in between, and at last we are trimming it back. We're using a trim so that we can remove the last word, last space which we added in the last word once we are reversing it. So that's pretty much about it. We have written an article also in our website, so you guys can refer that article for your reference. So let me bring up the article from our website. Okay, now this is the article in our website. So this is the link you can see. Now we are using the same examples, right? Live star war and live deserts. Idea is simple that we pass an input to a method, it should give us a output back. We have taken the couple of examples, and then we are using scanner to read it from the user input. In our demonstration, we have just provided hard-coded string, so this is a better approach. We can use it. And then this is the actual method. So where we are just splitting the input string, we are getting an array, and then we are looping through it, and then we are trimming it and returning it back. So that's pretty much. So we'll mention this link in our video description, so guys can refer it for your future reference. In case you have any questions regarding this post or anything you want about the problem statement, kindly do let us know. Thanks a lot for your time. Happy learning. Bye bye.